Pranav was captain of Bengal. And in the modern day, when somebody starts playing cricket, you say, I want to be a Tendulkar, I want to be a Dravid, I want to be a Dhoni or a Yuvraj. When we started playing cricket, all we knew was about Pankaj. Pranav was our captain, and my first sight of a captain with Pranav was not a very pleasant one because that was my first season for Bengal, and every morning I used to hear a barracking at Eden Gardens every time Bengal didn't play well. So when I grew up playing cricket, I heard about Pankaj Da, saw him a few times because I was very young, and never realized that what he contributed to the sport in Bengal and to the country. In an era where helmets were not available for openers, to play against genuine fast bowling was something unbelievable. And I still say that whatever you average 10 and you compare with players of the modern era, you add 10 runs because you played without the helmet. It's also nice to see his colleagues here to support this cause. For a lot of us in Bengal, we heard about him but never knew what he actually did or how he went about his life and sport. When you ask someone, they would say he practiced at Komatali Park on matting wickets without a helmet, with glasses to play the sport, because I know how difficult it is to play with glasses, and luckily we were born in an era where contact lenses were prevalent. So although I played all my career wearing contact lenses, it must be a tough time playing with glasses against genuine fast bowling. So I'm really looking forward to this book, looking forward to read it, to get to know, although it's a bit late for me. I don't read cricket books that much nowadays. But for the modern generation of Bengal, it's about something you need to know. It's about bravery and attitude towards Test cricket, because it's different. And I see again, it's different when you have that helmet on and when you don't have that helmet on. I congratulate Pranav for keeping his dad's memories alive. I'm the only one who's pronounced your name correctly this evening. You've taken time off. Not many people do, but you've taken time off to keep your dad's memories alive for all of us. I'm sure the young players will read and get to learn a lot more, because I don't think they have anything unknown about Tendulkar, Dravid or Virendra Sehwag in the modern day, but something which they will get to know from Pankaj Da. I thank CAB for supporting this wonderful cause, because he's been a legend of the game and a huge honor for the association. So thanks for turning up in numbers to support somebody of the past. His colleagues for supporting him of the past. And there have been some great players sitting on the chair there. And I wish all of you, not just players, the media, the people from the film fraternity, businessmen, media, go through this book and get to know about him, because none of us know a lot. I take this opportunity to also wish the Indian cricket team very best for this test match. There's a lot of talk about the test match already in the media, but I'm sure with 2 test matches to go, India will win the series. Special good wishes to MS and to Sachin. Hopefully we'll get to see 100 at Eden Gardens. Thank you once again for attending.